I just want to share with you a little job that I decided to undertake today on my day off. This little part on a Mini Cooper, the VANOS Solenoid, right? The car's playing up. It's when I start in the morning, it judders, it's lumpy, it's got a lumpy start. It's fucking annoying. Once you get going, it's warmed up a bit, it's fine, there's not a problem. But I thought, right, got day off today, I'm going to replace that because someone mentioned it could be that. And it looked like an easy job on YouTube. It's fucking not. Alright, bear in mind, I have the poor man's tools, okay? I'm not a mechanic, not whatsoever. When I finally got to the part, it says just wiggle it out. Just wiggle the fucker out. What, with the strength of bastard Eddie Hall? It doesn't just wiggle out. Anyway, to get, this is the part here, look, I put the new one in, and there didn't actually look anything wrong with the old one that's come out, so it's probably a waste of time anyway. So you have to take that off. You have to take that off, which by the way was incredibly fucking difficult. You have to take the airbox off, which is somewhere down there, just to get to that little fucking pile of fucking shit there. And then right down the side of it where you can't see, there's a 10mm bolt that you have to undo. So you just have to try and find it and unscrew the twatting thing. So when you were making this car, why did you not think, yeah, well, let's just make it a bit easier? You fucking spastic. Oh, and on top of that, a few cuts. Just getting the bastard clips off. Quick update. This is the 10mm bolt that holds the solenoid in. So from the last little clip you'll have seen, it's been about half an hour. This bolt went missing. I've managed to find it by a lot of feeling around, blindly might I add, just tucked in a little crack down there. You little bastard. How the fuck do mechanics do this fucking shit? My back's killing, my hands are killing from scratches. Let's try and get this in. It's in. I've had to deassemble off the fucking engine, but it's in. So now, look, is in, the new one's in. I just need to put all the pipes back on, connect this fucking thing up, try and figure out where the different connections that I pulled out go back in. Hopefully I get them in the right place. And I'll fire the car up and it won't have worked. We're nearly there, baby. Pipes back on, all connected back up, clips back on. Some are a bit awkward because they're in awkward places, but they're on. Hopefully as good as they were before. Airbox on, and we'll start it up and see if I've worked my little bit of magic. Okay, it's time to start. Everything is back together. Unfortunately, right at the last point, I've dropped my fucking socket down into the engine bay. I don't care. It's sealed. What will be, will be. But you're here with me while we start this bad boy. Come on, if this don't work right now, I might cry. It started. Sounds normal, but it's generally when I start it first time in the morning, so we'll have to do a start in morning to see if it's actually fixed the problem, because then it'll be really cold. But it sounds all right. Well, everything's away. I'm hoping that has fixed the problem, because if not, I might take a fucking hammer to it. I don't think this mechanic works for me, I'll be honest with you. Well, I don't know what the fuck that says. We'll leave it a bit and we'll check in a bit. But for now, see in a bit.